What's up, guys? We just finished our little shopping spree at Micro Center. We grabbed our motherboard and our processor for the green and white build, and we ended up snagging another tough 650E with Wi-Fi for $100. I mean, I couldn't pass it up. There was a couple other ones for like 70, but they were no box, no Wi-Fi antenna. So we just went ahead and grabbed the tough 650 for $99 or $96, something like that. But yeah, they're normally $170, so $100 off. Can't go wrong with that. It'll probably go in another build, probably in a couple weeks here, maybe next week, who knows. But let's get home so we can get going on this build.